morning, everyone. The weather is 1 degree right now, and we are going to Everland. It's our second day. Second day. Very yummy. Hello guys, so for today we are gonna be going to Everland. We met the guy who is from KLOOK, a representative from the trip we booked through KLOOK, which costs around 3,000 plus. So we're having our breakfast right over here in front of the meetup place, and here it is. We are having our little coffee in this super cold morning, and I'm also gonna be having my tuna mayo. And my bae is having his hamburger, and Deline is having her kimbap. Time is 9:08 a.m. We are here in Everland.
Keep up, guys.
Could you wait for me? Sure. Because our gate is the left side, right? So we have to stay on left side.
On left side. Our new tour guide.
Our new tour guide. People here are running like crazy, and we don't know why. First on the list, we will hop on to this Panda World because this is what we're here for. Cutie!
Guys. Kamu siya ligo?
Lesser Panda. Like an old classic cafe. We're riding the cable cruise, sky cruise here in Everland. Yeah! Super cool doon. Dalawa ang mga rides mo. So, this is my favorite spot here in Everland. It's like their grand theater, and that's the fountain right there in the middle. And this is the Holland Village. Okay guys, so I couldn't believe these two are planning to ride that roller coaster. Okay guys, so we really lined up for this one and there's no backing out.
Guys, tugnaw kay guys.
And then layo pa kayo may sa mong line. So like 2 hours good maghuwat.
Magda ka GoPro ato?
How was it? Di madamag ka GoPro eh. That was a fucking intense experience. I would never want to go back, but at least we tried. At in mo pabili na ko espiritu, ma'am.
Naupos, good man. Katagyo pala.
Kanang first na ano, kanang mabilin imuhang ngalangala o gimang lang.
Look, mga kaya ka nang ilig-lig ko ba?
Grabe guys. Murag feeling na ko din na dyan kumalik ato. Like, first and last. As in, never again.
Ay,
반드시
ikaw,
손잡이를 잡고
sabot
이용해 주시고
Ambot ka lang. Asa ka
손잡이에
dapat
심하게 기대시거나 매달리는 힘든
Johnny, sa kasa ko
Nawa man siya kalit.
So, mga na to siya. Tea Express. We survived it, but it's not advisable. What's your reaction, ma'am?
Worth it. Worth the wait.
And worth the try. Is it?
Nope.
That was us. Okay, so that ends our Everland experience and
It was all worth it. Thank you, Everland, for having us, and we hope to see you soon on our next visit here. We'll be coming with you, becoming real strong.
bye.
Bye.
After our Everland experience, we headed back to Myeongdong and we had our dinner in a convenience store just located right beside in the 12th floor Daiso in Korea. Before I end this vlog, I just wanted to share why we chose Everland Theme Park instead of other theme parks here in South Korea. There are actually a lot of theme parks here in South Korea. The main reason why we chose Everland is because we want to see the pandas. Obviously, there are no pandas here in the Philippines, and we just really wanted to see these cute giant pandas. Autumn leaves are also really great in Everland. So most people are comparing Lotte World and Everland. We have never been to Lotte World, but as what they say, Lotte World has the most family-friendly rides, while on the other hand, Everland has the most extreme rides. Well, for me, I couldn't finish roaming around Everland in just a day. If you want to completely finish all the rides and the attractions, you must go there for at least 2 or 3 days. It's a huge theme park, but really an enjoyable one. It has extreme rides and really worth it attractions. Aside from that, it's more affordable than other theme parks in South Korea. So, if you've made it here to this video, please make sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below for more videos here in my channel, and make sure to drop your experiences in the comments below. So I'll see you on my next video, which is our DIY day trip to Busan. See ya! Bye!